Thank you very much. And I wish to now contribute to this motion, following your ruling and guidance. Madam Speaker, I want to start on the premise that the National Police Service does not fall within the ambit of what is provided for under Article 240, Sub-Article 8 of the Constitution. And I'll explain why. Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, Article 240.
Honorable Tongoya and Leader of Majority,
I'm addressing very weighty issues that will require that people listen. Honorable members, if you may listen to me.
Okay, Honorable Leader of Minority, start again because I didn't hear you.
Yes. I was saying that Article 248, Article 240, Sub-Article 8, that we seem to be hiding behind in purporting to process this deployment of the police service to Haiti simply talks about deployment of national forces outside Kenya. Outside Kenya. National forces. Madam Speaker, if you go to Article 241, Article 241 of the Constitution, you will find that there are established the Kenya Defense Forces. Article 241 of the Constitution provides for the establishment of the Kenya Defense Forces. And it goes further to list those forces as consisting of the Kenya Army, the Kenya Air Force, the Kenya Navy, and basically those three. It simply talks of the three arms of the Kenya Defense Forces as what constitute the defense forces. Nothing could have been easier if the drafters of this Constitution had intended to include the National Police Service as part of the forces, to say so explicitly under Article 240, Sub-Article 8 of the Constitution. Madam Speaker, we cannot afford to do what we are trying to do currently, of circumventing the Constitution and the law. In fact, the National Police Service, as established under Article 243 and 245 of the Constitution, is under the command of the Inspector General of Police. It is not under the command of the President or any other person. The Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces is not the commander of the National Police Service. That is my submission. And you can challenge me. So it was not the intention of the makers of our Constitution. And Honorable Tindamolo is here. He will help us. Because he was a member of the committee of experts that drafted our Constitution. It was not the intention of the draft of the Constitution, nor was it the intention of Kenyans when they promulgated this Constitution.
So you seem to have a point of order?
Yes.
Okay, you'll come after Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. You know, the Leader of Minority has asked us to challenge him.